The Lost Puppy. My name is Dara. One Saturday morning, I go to the park with my friend Tom. The weather is sunny, and many families are enjoying the day outside. While we are walking, we hear a small puppy barking. The puppy is white with brown spots. It looks scared and lonely. There is no owner nearby. Tom says, "I think this puppy is lost." I nod and gently pick up the puppy. It is friendly, but it is shaking because it is afraid. We give the puppy some clean water. Tom buys a small bag of dog food from a nearby shop. The puppy eats happily and starts wagging its tail. We look around the park and ask people, "Is this your puppy?" Everyone smiles, but nobody knows the puppy. Then we see a poster on a notice board. It has a picture of the same puppy. The poster says, "Lost Puppy. Please call this phone number if you find him." Tom uses his father's phone to call the number. A few minutes later, a woman runs toward us. She is very worried. When she sees the puppy, she smiles with joy. The puppy runs to her and happily wags its tail. She hugs the puppy and thanks us many times. The woman says, "His name is Lucky. Thank you for helping him." She gives us some fruit as a small gift, but we politely say, "Helping Lucky is enough for us." Before we leave, Lucky barks happily as if he is saying goodbye. Tom and I feel proud because we helped someone in need. That day, I learned that kindness, honesty, and helping others can make the world a happier place.